Hi friends, I'm children's author and poet Leslie Bulion, and today I want to share with you a fun activity related to my new science poetry collection I did with illustrator Robert McGann called Amphibian Acrobats. So let's make a jumping origami frog. Okay, so let's fold an origami jumping frog using an index card. This is a green index card I'm going to use to make a frog like that one. So my first fold is I'm going to take the top corner and fold it down to the side to make a triangle. You can see that I'm making a point at the top of the other corner and folding the right-hand corner down into a triangle. And I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to do the same thing with this corner. Fold it down and make a point out of the other corner. And then I'm going to open it back up. Now I have an X folded across the index card. And I'm going to turn the card over, and I'm going to fold these top two corners down to meet the bottom of the X, like this. Folding these down after I turn the card over, and then I'm going to open it back up and turn it back the other way. Now you can see we have the X, and then the fold that we did by turning the paper over, and that fold kind of wants to fold in like this, and we're going to let it. So we're going to fold that fold in, and then we're going to press it down to make a point almost in the shape of a house. So that's the first part of folding our origami frog. Now we're going to take this corner of the roof of the house and fold it up to meet the peak, just like that. And then we're going to take the other corner and fold it up to meet the peak the same way. Now we have this diamond in front and the roof of the house, and these are going to be the front legs of our origami frog. We're going to leave them up there for now, and we're going to fold each side of the house in towards the middle. So I'm going to take this corner and this whole side and fold it in right along there. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Take this whole side and fold it in. It's definitely easier if you do this on a flat surface. And now we have more of a rocket ship shape with the front legs of the frog sticking up in the front. And we're almost done. I'm going to take the bottom of the rocket ship and fold it up towards the point like that, but not fold it too tight. Just a nice fold. And then I'm going to take the top edge that we just folded up and fold it, just that part, leaving everything else up there. Just going to fold this part back down to meet the fold we just made. And now we are done. So we unfold this to make the back legs, push these down to make the front legs, and there's our frog. And I'm going to turn it around, push this fold down just a little bit more, and then put my finger on the edge, boink. And this one, I drew a face on, put my finger on the edge. Whoa, that one really jumped. Have fun. If you're using a white index card or cardstock, you can add whatever decorations you want. Whee! If you'd like printed instructions, go to origami-fun.com/origami-jumping-frog.html, where I learned how to do it.